Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable guest account Windows 11. We are going to open the command prompt as administrators. We must click Yes to open the terminal. Here, run the command netuserguest/active:yes to enable this user. Press Enter. Sign out to apply the change. When you access Windows, open the command prompt console as administrator again. Press Yes. Now to disable this guest user, you must run the command netuserguest/active:no. Press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.